what's up guys, welcome to another video of Shakima at home. And today we're going to make the coconut Johnny cake. So let's get started on this video right here. So we have some pink salt, we have some butter, we have some baking powder, we have some coconut milk.
You're making Johnny cake, so you have to use that with the Johnny cake.
Okay, baby. So back to the video. Get distracted by Felix as usual. He hear about Johnny cake, so you run come inside the kitchen for hear wagwan and for see wagwan. So this is a coconut milk we're using today right here, and we're going to use some coconut shredded also inside it, and you know the flour right here. So let's get started on this video. Okay, so I'm just adding 3 cups of flour, inside my bowl here. You know, in Jamaica, we're not really measurement. We just go with our mind. What our mind tell us, we go with it. But today I'm doing a little bit of measurement. And here we have the baking powder. I'm going to use 3 spoons. Right there, so. I'm going to add a dash of pink salt, maybe ½ teaspoon of pink salt. We're going to add some coconut shredded inside it also, about a handful coconut shredded, because we're making coconut Johnny cake, so we need a little bit of flakes of the coconut inside it. And then we're going to add the coconut milk inside a cup with some water, and we're going to use that. Because the coconut is sweetened already, it's not unsweetened, I'm not going to use any sugar. But if the coconut was unsweetened, then I would make add sugar to it, add brown sugar or white sugar to it. But because of that already sweet inside it, I'm not going to use that today. I'm just going to do it like so, like that. And let me get some water, and I'm just going to add it to it. So we're going to add a little bit of butter inside it, about that in it. I'm going to add some cinnamon, some organic cinnamon. You can use any cinnamon you have at home, just a dash in it. Then I'm going to wash my hands. Make sure your hands are clean. If not, use a gloves. It's very important because you're dealing with flour. And make sure your nails is not tall. Okay? Or if you're cooking for yourself, you do what you want, because you know it's you eating it, right? All right, so here is all the ingredients here. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to incorporate everything together, meaning as mix it up in the bowl like so. Make everything combine, and then we're going to start to add the coconut milk to it. So now I'm going to add the coconut milk. You see that you can use fresh coconut milk if you have. If you don't want to use the can or the pack, you can use whichever one you want. And because we're using the coconut milk, we're not going to use any water. We're going to just use this, because the water mix it already, and use it to incorporate everything. So as you can see, I didn't use all of the coconut milk. I just used a little because this is a little bit of flour here. So I finished. So you just carry your bowl, the Johnny cake dough, to a ball, and then you're just going to set this aside for like 15 minutes. You can do it overnight, which whenever you prefer, but because right now we're hungry, we're going to fry it up in 15 minutes time. So I'm just adding a little bit of flour on the board to start to roll out my Johnny cake. And I'm just going to take about this amount and I'm going to knead it together. Like so, like in a ball. Just place one there and we're going to continue the procedure. So over there we have some oil heating and we're just going to add our Johnny cake to it. Okay guys, so we're finished to make our coconut Johnny cake, bakes, whatever you guys call it. And Felix is there munching off his face because he cannot wait to eat this Johnny cake. Once Felix hear about Johnny cake, he's ready to eat. So Felix, what do you think about the Johnny cake? It's good?
Yeah.
Really, really good? You like it?
Yeah.
Okay, so anyway guys, we're finished. So make sure to like, to share, to tell a friend, to hit that notification bell for all our newest video, to comment below what else you want to see us do. And remember, God is love. We're out.